Look, that's a very crucial aspect of this case. And I'm entitled to spend some time, unless I get a concession from the defense of accused 1 and 2, then I'll rest on this point. But in the interest of time, my lord, I'll move on.
Okay.
Now, let us proceed, Mr. Ntanzi.
Siqhubeke ke mnumzane ntanzi.
Yebo.
Now you are taken back inside the Toyota Fortuner. What happened?
Useyabuyiselwa ke kwi Toyota Fortuner bese kwenzakala.
Iphumile Nkosi enkantolo imoto khona lapho sasimkhona yahamba ngangayibona ukuthi ihamba phi ke ngoba namanje ngeke ngize ngikhombe ukuthi imoto yahamba la yahamba kuphi ngangayazi ukuthi yakuphi.
The vehicle left the place where we were at. However, I do not know where did it go to, as even now I would not be able to point on which route did that vehicle take.
I don't want to lose you here. Let's go slowly again. We're still on that night.
Uthi umshushisi akafuni ukuthi nilahlekelane khona lapho. Sisakhuluma ngalelo suku.
Sikhuluma nge-18 ngithi.
Yes, we are referring to the 18th.
So how did these vehicles leave then? Tell
Yeah.
the court from that point.
Ihambe kanjani ke leya moto? Sitshele kusuka lapho.
Angeke ngikwazi Nkosi enkantolo ukukhomba indlela mina ngoba indlela ngiyazi mina.
I would not be able to point the directions as I do not know.
Ngayibona imoto isimje lapho yafika yamakhona.
I just saw the vehicle parking where it stopped.
And then you also testified in your own evidence. You indicated before this court that they formed what you called a convoy.
Wena ngobufakazi bakho uye wathi leziya imoto ziyezayenza ziyezalandelelana into le bizwa phecelezi iconvoy.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo zilandelelene behamba iGTI phambili kuyifortuna phakathi kwiNissan ngemuva halibhodi.
Yes, my lord, they did form a convoy. It was a GTI in front, a Fortuner in the middle, and the Nissan hardbody at the back.
Ukuthi zazi yapha yangizazi Nkosi enkantolo.
But on where were they going? I do not know, my lord.
Did they finally reach a destination?
Le moto zigcine sezifikile na endaweni ethize.
Lapho ezafika zamakhona lapho engakhishwa khona emotweni.
That's where they stopped, and that's when I was taken out of the vehicle.
What can you describe that particular destination?
Ake uchaze leyo ndawo ezama kuyo.
Nkosi enkantolo lapho esamakhona imoto kunomgwaqo khona zama nje eceleni la imali le ndawo lesa sikuya ngibona ukuthi indawo yayekuphi or phakathi nemizo phakathi kanjani angibona kodwa lapho sikhona kunestepisi.
My lord, where those vehicles had stopped, it is just, there is a road, and they stood on the side of the road, and there was a stairs.
Ngoba mina mabe ngijikisa emveni kwemoto mangiphuma emveni kwemoto ngijika so ngijikela ngalo kwestepisi kwakunyuka iTruck le truck kanti le truck alayisha udoti.
And just next to the stairs, as I was moved from the vehicle, there was a waste truck that came.
Ngijika ngalo stepisi mabhena ngimela.
And that's when Mabena has instructed me to stand by near that stairs.
Lesi
Okay, yes.
sikhathi ke sengiqhaqha ngapha.
That's when
ngifaswe khona.
he had removed the handcuffs on my hands, as the witness is showing them they were cuffed from the front.
Engibopha kulenye insimbi engaphi nalethe ngoba istepisi asiphakathi naphakathi sokini.
And he had cuffed me on the stairs using my left and my right hand, as the stairs was in the middle.
Lesi sikhathi esengitshena futhi angifuni namanje ukukhuluma eqene sibe nabo Jonathan obaba ukuthelisa.
And that's when he asked me, I'm still not ready to tell the truth, and he was with Jonathan and Buthelezi.
Just one aspect before we get to that place. It was also put to Mokhane for the AVA that at some stage you were taken to an open area, which is a park next to the garage. Did that happen?
Uthi ke buye kwatshelwa uMokhane ukuthi kunesikhathi la ukuthi uye wathathwa wayisiwa epark ngaseduze kwegarage. Kuye kwenzeka lo?
Nkosi enkantolo mangithi mina imoto ihambile ngangayibona ukuthi ihamba pha angazi uma iphakho le yini ngeke ngiphendule into mina ekhunywa ubaba uMngomezulu baba uMngomezulu okwazi ukutshena enkantolo ukuthi lokhu kubiziwa yini lokhu kubiziwa yini.
My Lord, as I have stated that the vehicle drove and I do not know where it went to, whether was it a park or what, I do not know. Mr. Mngomezulu is the one that knows those places.
It's fine. Let's proceed now. We are in that place which was nicknamed the dumping area.
Uthi-ke asiyeke ukuleya ndawo enikwe igama kuthiwa kulahlwa khona izibi.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
From this document, exhibit MM2 and MM1 respectively, this vehicle that you're in, driven by Sergeant Mokhane, and you as the passenger, it did not stop anywhere else other than Guy Gibson Avenue in Aritin when it departed the garage.
Uthi-ke umshushisi ukuya ngalo bufakazi abuphethe lobu be-AVL akukho la ukuthi leyo moto iyeyama kule ndawo ewichazayo ngaphandle kwasendaweni ebizwa iGuy Gibson la kuyigarage khona.
Nkosi enkantolo mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuphendulela leto okukhulunywa ngayo ngoba angiyazi ukuthi isebenza kanjani.
My Lord, I would not be able to respond on what the AVL is stating because I do not know how it works.
It was put also to you that this vehicle, and it was me who said to you, it stopped at the engine garage near such and such a street. You did not prefer that answer.
Umshushisi uye wakubuza ukuthi le moto iyeyama ngase engine garage emgaqweni ethu othize awuzange umnike le mpendulo omnika yona manje.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyethemba mina mangiqeda ukuhlukunyezwa egarage phakathi azange ngiphinde ngisabiza endawo ukuthi imoto ifike ngiyibona ihamba endaweni esonke. Ngithe imoto ngayibona lapha sengikhishiwe emoto lapha yafika amakona ngakhishwa ngajika emveni kwemoto ngaphuma ngapha ngahamba ngisho azange ngisho ngabona emveni ukuthi sengishayiwe egarage ngiqala ukushaya egarage akaze ngibizi nokuthi isebenza kanjani into umshushisi angichazela wona angiyazi mina Nkosi enkantolo.
My Lord, after I was tortured and abused at the garage, I believe I did not mention any area, and even how the AVL works, I do not know how it works, and I never mentioned that the vehicle stopped at such an area. All I said, the vehicle stopped and I was moved towards a stairs, and that's all I had said, my Lord.
And then this court ordered that Mr. Dupree brings to court the AVL records in so that he can demonstrate before this court, and then your advocate was seated right in front there.
Uthi futhi inkantolo iye yathi umnumzana uDupree alethe lobufakazi be-AVL azobubonisa la enkantolo futhi ummeli wakho wayekade ehleli la ebuke umabonakude la.
Nkosi enkantolo angeke ngikwazi ukuphendula baba uMngomezulu. Baba uMngomezulu ngiyathemba ukuthi la phambi Nkosi enkantolo ukhulume neNkosi enkantolo ngendlela akhulume ngayo.
My Lord, I would not be able to speak on behalf of Mr. Mngomezulu, as I believe he had stated the way he had spoken to the court.
Just a correction. The court did not order. The state requested for such records. My apologies for that.
Uthumshushisi akusiyinkantolo ethe umnumzana uDupree eze bekade kuyibona abashushisi bathe umnumzana uDupree alethe lobufakazi obunjalo lobu be-AVL.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
So now let's leave Mngomezulu out of this.
Uthi-ke asiyeke uMngomezulu kule ndaba.
Let's deal with the objective scientific evidence of the GPS system.
Sigxile kwindaba le elethwe uloyangodi walento ebizwa i-AVL.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
In his evidence, he indicated to this court that said motor vehicle It never stopped anywhere near that area you call the dumping area. The only stop recorded, it was near Guy Gibson Avenue in Aretin.
Yena ungoti uthe imoto ayizange ime kule ndawo le ewena uyibiza ukuthi bakade kulahlwa izibi khona. Uthi yena ungoti ukhulume ukuthi imoto leyana ime nje eGuy Gibson Avenue.
Kosenkantolo ngiyaphinda ngithi mina igoli angilazi. Nanokuthi imoto yayihamba phela angiyazi Kosenkantolo lapha emakhona angiyazi.
My Lord, I would repeat that I do not know Gauteng. Where was that motor vehicle driving? I do not know, and even where it stopped, I did not know.
Lento okukhulunywa ngale ekhulunywa ngumshushisi angeke ngikwazi ukuyiphendula mina.
And what the state is alluding to, I would not be able to respond to that.
It was evidence, say. It's not what I am speaking. Evidence before this court.
Uthi umshishisi akusiyinto eyena ayikhulumayo. Ubufakazi obuzela enkantolo.
Ngiyezwa Nkosenkantolo.
I hear, my Lord.
And as a result, I put it to you that you are fabricating what happened in the so-called dumping area. It is not there.
Uthi umshushisi uyakutshela ukuthi wena uyaziqambela lento ewuthi wena iyenzeke lapha la kulahlwa khona izibi labe kade kunalesa stepis. Uthi ayizange yenzeke.
Kosenkantolo ngiyaphikisana kokusho ngumshushisi Kosenkantolo ngoba phela yime engangibona uma ngithiwa phuma kwehlela ngithi umala ujika endaweni so vele ngisho ukuthi le ndawo ngayibona ngathi indawo lahla ngoba ngabona iTruck aliphuma ngeke iTruck uthi ngenyuka la endaweni ngathi inotshana enyani le imali enyuka ngathi indawo yenyuka izofuna la iTruck la dustbin.
My Lord, I am denying what the state is saying as I am the one who was there, who saw what was happening. And how did it happen that a truck, a waste truck, came about where there was grass and it just appeared? What was that truck going to do there?
Angivumelana lokho akushoyo.
Therefore, I am not in agreement with what the state is saying.
So are you saying now that the fact that this document in my position recorded that at some stage for those hours, as per this document, you were at that particular garage cannot be the truth?
Manje uthi lento ebhalwe kuleya ncwadi leya leye AVL ukuthi kunesikhathi esithize labe nikade nikuleya garage akusilona iqiniso.
Ngiyethemba Nkosenkantolo akaze ngikhulume ngesikhathi mina lephepha leli ngeke ngilichaza ukuthi yini le ngoba angibhalanga yimi angibala ukuthi kubhalo ubani.
I believe, my Lord, I never mentioned anything about time, and even this document I would not be able to explain it on what it is and what does it refer to, and it was not written by myself, my Lord.
Okay. Let's do this quick. According to this report, at some stage you were at Mali Street near Fairwood Park, which is the garage, engine garage.
Uthi kuya ngale ncwadi le ithi nanikade nise Mali Street ngase Fairwood Park kuleliya garage engine.
Yebo ngiyamuzwa Nkosenkantolo.
Yes, I hear that, my Lord.
Do you agree or not agree?
Uyavuma noma awuvumi?
Ngiyethemba Nkosenkantolo yimi ngitshela Nkosenkantolo ukuthi imoto yangena egarage lapha phela ngangazi ukuthi indawo uthi kuphi igarage yimi ngitshela Nkosenkantolo ngegarage.
I believe I am the one that firstly informed the court about the garage. I just did not know where the area was.
And you know what is interesting? The AVL report supports what you are saying.
Uthi into ukuthi ibalekile ukuthi nale AVL ikhulumisana nalento ewena uyisho. Ivumelana nalento uyisho.
Yebo.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Uyavuma.
Angeke ngivume into engabhalanga eMkosenkantolo mina.
I will not agree with what was not written by me, my Lord.
So what are you agreeing to when you say you agree?
Manje mawuthi uyavuma uvumelana nani?
Ngivuma ukuthi Nkosenkantolo ngafika egarage namanje ngiyashipha Nkosenkantolo egarage ngangena.
I agree that We had arrived at the garage, my lord.
kodwa iphepha lelakhuluma ngalo angilazi mina.
But this document that the state is referring to, I do not know.
Okay, let us proceed.
Uthi asiqhubeke.
Since you don't want to answer, let's proceed.